Hello guys, Ali, and today I have video unboxing of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So this is just a classic unboxing, just like the old days. As you can see here, the Huawei Mate 10 logo with a Leica dual camera. And the box is pretty plain, pretty simple, so let's get right into it. I bought this phone for approximately $800. It's a bit expensive for a Huawei phone. The moment of truth. Come on. Oh, nice presentation from Huawei. As you can see, the phone. Let's just put this phone aside. So, Huawei design, as you can see here. So first thing first, we can see the power adapter. I think this is fast charge. It has the fast charge capability. We have a USB to USB-C charging cable. We also have some earphones and USB-C to headphone adapter. So let's see what comes here. Huawei Mate 10 Pro. I think this is the screen protector, I'm not sure. And a case. Just a plain, simple case. Actually, it feels very nice, very soft. So, and and some paperworks and the SIM ejection tool. Let me clean up all this and I'll be right back. So let's see if this device has any juice in it. And it seems it doesn't have any charge in it, so let me charge it and get right back. So after spending a couple of minutes setting this device up, it feels super smooth and super silky. It got a 6-inch 1080 by 2160p display. It has an octa-core, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So pretty good specs for the price. It has two cameras, one wide and one zoomed. They're 20 megapixel, I think, and shoots 4K 60. Yeah, this device feels pretty good, and here's an S8 to compare, the normal one. As you can see here, the size is pretty much the same. The body to screen ratio is better on the Huawei. So let's test the camera. So here's the wide and here's the zoom. It's 2x zoom. It can shoot 4K up to 60 frames if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this was Ali. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and see you next time. Peace.